Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Hello, sir. Good afternoon. My name is Neo Domingo, and I am from Neo Music PH. Ma'am Bernice asked me to make your special day a memorable one. So, sabi ni Mama, pumili siya ng mga songs na para i-dedicate po para sa inyo. And sana magustuhan ninyo. And before I play my first song, meron pong konting mensahe si Ma'am Bernice. Alay na harana para sa inyo, Dr. Olalia. Mula noon hanggang ngayon, kahit pumutok
man
pa
ang taal o mayon, ikaw pa din ang pipiliin. Yun lang, di ka pipilitin. Di man ako 5'4", at least di ako vapor. I just want you to know, I love you always and forever. Happy birthday!
Standing in the timeless line mist, pale and rose. I love you always, forever, near and far. We're set together everywhere. I will be with you, everything I will do for you. I love you always, forever, near and far.
Ma'am Bernice wants you to know that
Sa Hilaga o sa Timog o Kanluran, kahit saan pa man, ang laging isisigaw, ikaw ang aking mahal, ang aking mahal. Kung tayo ay matanda na, sana'y di tayo magbago. Kailanman, nasan man, ito ang pangarap ko.
once again, have a good day and God bless. Thank you.
So that's it, guys. Success naman ang ating surprise. Thank you so much for trusting Neo Music PH. Ayan, sa mga gusto pong mag-avail ng ating harana services or kahit anong live music services, please message us on my Facebook page. It's Neo Music PH. Or sa aking Instagram, it's Neo Domingo 143. And on my TikTok, it's Neo Music PH. Again, guys, see you again next time and God bless.